Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Ethereum. It was requested by some of you. I just wanted to make a video on this right now. I like Ethereum a lot, as some of you might know. It's one of my well, it is my biggest. No, it's not my biggest holding. Bitcoin is my biggest holding at this moment because it went up a lot. But Ethereum right now, I mean, I bought quite a lot of Ethereum not too long ago. On Wednesday morning, I said in the Signal group, which I have, let's buy some Ethereum. So that went up quite nicely in the last 2 days. I like Ethereum a lot for multiple reasons, and we'll talk about that in this video. We have to talk about some fundamentals. First of all, if you look at Ethereum against Bitcoin, I think that's very interesting because it seems to me that has bottomed. That's very bullish right now. It's not going to continue to be bullish all the time. But I do think it's going to be very, very strong. So that usually means that Ethereum is going to do well. And the fundamentals, I think, line up very well. And because right now, I mean, obviously, the Bitcoin ETF has been approved. So that's great. All right. We got a lot of bullish momentum from that. But now we have to look to the future. And then we can talk about the Bitcoin halving. But we can also talk about an Ethereum ETF update. Or deadline, excuse me, which is, I believe, coming up in March. And just in general, I think an Ethereum ETF is just a matter of time. And you can already know right now that we're going to get a ton of bullish momentum because of that. All right, so that's why I like Ethereum a lot. I mean, we'll talk about the technicals in this video as well. But purely fundamentally, I would say it's at the current circumstances, and that could change, that can very well change. But in the current circumstances, I don't know why you would not buy some Ethereum or Ethereum betas, all right? So Optimism, Arbitrum, SSV, LDO, whatever, all right? So fundamentally, as you might hear, I'm very bullish on Ethereum. But let's talk about the technicals a little bit more, because right now, I mean, the market is very much suffering, all right? Bitcoin is dropping down. I think it's going to find support here, but I'm 100% not sure, which is great. That's why you came to this video, to listen to someone who is not sure. But for Ethereum, I think it's a little bit more clear, all right? It does depend on Bitcoin, because Ethereum is correlated to Bitcoin, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less. But it is important. Ethereum right now has a ton of momentum. The open interest went up a lot. Now it's dropping down. So what I think is most important right now is I think Ethereum is going to drop down to 2,500, or the level between 2,550 and 2,500. And that's the most important level, because if we're able to hold that level, all right, while Bitcoin bottoms, so if Bitcoin finds support and Ethereum holds 2,500, then, well, big drop right now, then we can actually expect it to break above 2,650 and rally up to the next price target right here at around 2,850. So that is if Ethereum is able to hold the level around 2,500. That's scenario one. Scenario two, in my eyes, is that will not hold 2,500, that will find some support there, but then drop down lower towards 2,400. And then I think, I mean, unless Bitcoin crashes a lot, but I don't really see that happening. It's a possibility, so keep that in mind. But I think for now, the lowest Ethereum can go is this level between 2,350 and 2,400. And then from there, I think it's more likely we'll just consolidate there, and then at some point of time rally back up to 2,650. So these are the two scenarios, and which one of those is going to happen really does depend on Bitcoin. In my Bitcoin video, I said that Bitcoin would hold this level right here between 42,500 and 43,000. If that's the case, I would assume that Ethereum is going to be able to hold 2,500. But you just have to wait and see. Monitor Ethereum. If it holds support at 2,500 until tomorrow or something, then we're fine. And I expect an even more bullish Ethereum in the weekend and in the next few weeks. If it drops down below that, it's probably going to be a little bit more consolidation and sideways movement before getting some bullish momentum again. But fundamentally, like I said, I'm quite bullish on Ethereum. So for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on my next videos. Bye.